operator. Okay, so we also going to discuss these features in this lecture series. Okay, then for off loop, I'm sorry. So here is for off loop: map objects, set objects, classes. You can see that it means we have the concept of classes and objects in ES6. Uh, so you can say that when ES6 launches, then JavaScript becomes an object-oriented programming language. How you can say that? Because in ES6 features we have the concept of objects, we have the concept of classes. That's why JavaScript becomes object oriented programming language. Okay, then you can see that promises, symbol, default parameters, rest parameter, function rest parameter, string, includes, function, starts with, ends with, array from, keys find, these all are methods. You can see that. And then you can see that new global methods, new number methods, new number properties, math methods, JavaScript modules, object entries. These all are the major changes applied in JavaScript ES6 version. Okay, so here the browser support for ES6. Okay, so here are the listing of the browsers. You can see that in which version, in which browser you can use ES6 features. Okay, you can read it. So first of all, we are going to discuss the JavaScript let keyword. Let keyword, listen, uh, before ES6, as we all know that if we want to create a variable, then we have to use the word called var, var. But in ES6, we can create a variable by using let or const keywords. Okay, so see here, the let keyword allows you to declare a variable with block scope. Block scope means if you declare a variable using let keyword inside a block. Block means inside a curly bracket, inside a if condition, inside a for loop. You can use that variable inside that block only. You cannot use that variable outside the block scope. Okay, so here is an example. As you can see that we can create variable like this before ES6, and now we can create this variable, okay, by using let keyword. So here you can see that this is a block scope. Okay, and in that block scope I am uh, creating a variable by using let keyword. So in this block I am declaring this variable, so we can use this variable inside this block but not outside this block. Okay, if you want to use outside this block, then we have to create a variable with var keyword. Okay, so this is a major difference between var and let. Okay, so read more about let in the JavaScript let chapter. Okay, so in the later parts we would use to we would complete the lecture of JavaScript let keyword. Okay, so stay tuned and stay connected. Then JavaScript const keyword, that also a very important keyword. As you can see that the const keyword allows you to declare a constant. See, what is the meaning of the constant? Constant means that if you assign a value to a constant variable, then that value becomes fixed. Fixed means you can't change that value anymore. Like if I want to give you a example that you had already heard